But we're here.
Papa G's pal.
Oh, shut up.
Exactly where are we?
Hong Kong Cemetery.
What the hell?
See? We had the coffins. We had the empty one here. Let's have a ceremony later.
Why are we at the Hong Kong Cemetery?
Got to go visit somebody.
Oh,
None your business.
anybody we know? You know, this is a lot different than that other cemetery that we went to down in Sandy Shores. But this is good, it's good. It looks decent, looks clean. I mean, the people stepped on somebody's grave, I don't fucking know. What the hell are we looking for anyway?
My Uncle Ping Pong. He's buried somewhere around this motherfucker. When I was in Hong Kong when I was about 6 or 7, he's here somewhere. Fuck.
Just ask somebody, hey, where's his Uncle Ping Pong?
Shit, he's somewhere around here. See, it's dark. It gets dark awful early around this motherfucker, and I can't... Shit. I don't know where... Oh, hold on. There he is. Hold on. Yeah, I found him. Hold on. There he is, over there. There he is. Right next to Buddha.
That's an ugly ass grave.
Oh, shut up, wait a minute. It's tradition.
Tradition.
Always gotta pray to Buddha. Hold on. 好，这个有点应该在这呀，原本应该那个 kiss your ass. Or tell that dumb son of a bitch, fuck you. Alright, nobody left grave out there for you? Okay, no problem. If I jump on the grave, no, can't do that. Jump? You wanna jump? Okay, phew.
Can we get out of here? This place is creepy.
Jump! Come on, shoo!
Let's play one of the missions. Now I'm fine. Let's play missions. Lost in the motherfucking graveyard. Shit, hold on. Kim, I'm lost.
Go down the steps, the gate we came in.
Oh. Shoo. Shoo. Watch out. Oh, damn, okay. There's some steps. Go down the stairs. Oh, there's the, I see it. Ah, damn. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. Oh. See you later. Oh. Shoot. That was fun. Know how to drive? What the hell are you listening to? Can we turn the radio off?
Not in this one.
Let's see. Go down. What the fuck is the mission? There it is, the wedding. Alright, we're going to a wedding, baby. Let's go.
I hate weddings.
Oh, well. Let's go here. I ain't got much time. We're gonna have to stop right here.
Here, we're gonna pick up a tuxedo. Okay, let's go to the tuxedo. Okay, pick up a tux. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna do normal play. We're not gonna flip
See you
out or
again
whatever.
soon. Bye bye.
What's up, Jackie?
Man, I'm stuck in traffic. I'll get there as soon as possible.
Don't worry, there's still time.
Don't start without me.
We got you.
Okay,
Drive to the place.
okay. Hit the button. Try without hurting somebody. Shit.
Wrong side of the road, dummy.
no, that's me. We drive on the right side of the road, not the left side. Come on, we hurry up, get to this church. Come on, let's go. Are we there yet? We're there, look, see?
All right, let's do it. Let's watch. Let's get married. That's nice. Look at that. There he is. What'd you say?
So happy you can make it.
You say you're happy. He's here.
Aggie, you look
Let's go. Look, see the side. Good. Look at this. That's
You
nice.
both must be very happy.
It's a beautiful
Day of
wedding.
your life.
Not bad. Shut up, I'm tall.
You know what? They're right.
If you say so.
Look at Uncle Poo.
Congratulations.
My guest of honor.
Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah. It's nice to see someone who wants to be a good family man.
That's Miyagi.
Not enough of that nowadays.
Hi.
Uncle Pooh, that's Uncle Pooh.
Lovely.
Uncle Pooh, watch his ass. That's your uncle, right?
As lovely as your
Shut up.
mother.
Look at that. Ugly woman.
Oh, and Mrs. Chu.
That's your uncle, Miss Chu.
Wait.
Wait.
I got a case of the
Something's gonna happen.
wine in my car. I forgot to bring it in. Do you mind grabbing it and making sure they know it's for him? I'm gonna make sure he gets inside, okay?
Yeah, sure thing.
Something's gonna happen.
Enjoy your day, okay? Where you parked?
Right through there. I'm going. Just
Something's up. Something's gonna happen here. Look, they don't have a wedding like this. Look at this. See, something's gonna happen. I know it. Watch. Something's gonna happen. Hey. Ooh, that's a whole bunch.
That's a six-pack, baby. Told you something was gonna happen. Holy shit.
Fuck!
Told you, look.
Jackie, you there?
Holy shit, did you see
What
that?
happened? Get in the church.
We're getting in through here.
I'll find a way inside.
I'll go get help.
Go this way, Kim. Go this way. Find a way in. Help that girl. Fuck, no, the other way. Motherfucker, other way. Motherfucker Spider-Man, eh?
Ooh. Think no Asians can climb. Go. Go this way. Okay. Fuck. This way, the window. Okay. Shh. Go. Go down. Shh.
Quiet. Told you, look. Told you something was happening, look.
What the hell?
She don't deserve shit.
Stay down, bitch.
You should call him a bitch. Alright, how are we gonna do this? Oh, shit. Ah, damn it. Come on, concentrate. Damn! Bitch! Son of a fuck! Bitch! Fucking asshole! Come here! What's that red thing for? Get him! Hey! You motherfucker! Get over the bridge! I'm a Harvard man! Come on, Bruce, come on! Come here! Kim!
Come here, fucker.
Get him! Jesus Christ! What now? Where are you going? The other way, downstairs! No, Spider-Man, the other way! Ain't this a bitch?
I'll handle him. Come here, bitch. Oh.
Come here, motherfucker! Come here, oh! Give me the chainsaw! Damn! Give me that! You motherfucker! Come here, come on! Ooh. Give me the fucking thing! Oh shit, what the hell? Do it again! Hang on, what? Come here! Fuck you! Ah, hey, bitch! You fight! You piece of shit! What's this thing for? Oh no. Wrap him up! Wrap him up! Kill him! Kill him! Motherfucker! You? You're dead? Alright, let's go. Come on. Watch out for these motherfuckers. They got chainsaws. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it! Oh, you wanna... Crap, baby! Got a hell of a weapon, huh? Got a hell of a weapon, huh? Give me the weapon! Give me the weapon! Bitch, 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 bitch! Calm down. Break his arm! Come here. Come here, come here. Give me that, bitch! Fuck this shit, we're done.